We are live on Top Chef Junior. Gwen, your challenge for this evening is to make a Cookie Monster cookie with some blue fondant and white royal icing. Can you do it?
Yes.
Okay, ready, set, bake. Can you tell us what you're doing, Chef Gwen?
I'm making the Cookie Monster.
All right, how do you do that?
I roll out the big piece of a ball, and then I use one of these toothpicks to make little dots, and then use the yellow ones to make little hands.
All right.
Look. Now I'm going to make the eyes with the black. Here's the circles.
What material are you using for the eyes, Gwen?
The toothpick, the black one. Now I'm using the green one for little peoples.
Okay.
Now for a smiley face.
How are you going to make the smiley face?
Use like one and a half circle piece.
I know, but what material, are you going to use? Frosting, fondant?
Just toothpicks to make a half circle.
Okay.
Oh, actually I can make little cheeks.
Okay. Wyatt, let Gwenny do it.
Oh, and I can do freckles too.
And I just make a wiggle.
Yes. Now I can make a nose.
With the dog nose.
Gwen, time is running out. Are you going to be ready for the judges?
Wait, what was the other thing that we need to make?
You need to make some royal icing and what's something else that cooking shows use?
Mixer.
No.
But to make something look extra fancy, what kind of ingredient do you need?
Cherry.
A cherry, maybe? Yeah, a cherry. But what's that stuff that you put in the microwave?
Fondant.
Oh, yeah, you said it right this time. You've been saying fondant all night.
Wyatt, don't touch it. It's my baking show. Wyatt,
Hey,
stop
Gwen.
it.
Better get your stuff in the oven. Are you ready?
Okay, I put it on the oven. And I
Ding,
roll out
ding, ding. Roll out the what?
the fondant.
Okay. What kind of shapes are you going to make with that fondant?
I don't know yet.
All right.
Maybe I would make a circle.
What would you use the circle for?
I would use it for the big fat tummy.
Okay. Are you feeling nervous, Gwen, or do you think you're going to win?
I'm going to win.
Woohoo! That's my girl.
Wait, what am I making with it?
Cookie Monster.
No, this is the Cookie Monster.
Oh, well, you said the circle is for the big fat dummy. Is it going to work?
Wait,
Have you made your first mistake in this cooking challenge?
what am I making? So I made the Cookie Monster. What's the next thing?
A blueberry muffin.
Okay. I did that wrong.
That's okay. I'm sure you'll recover.
Well, I did need a circle, but
Okay.
accidentally
Gwen,
put it up.
I want you to say hi to your cousins really quick.
Hi.
Miss you guys.